The Varian e19013490 Rev C, which is also a Lambda EMI ESS 500-6-15-D-TC-1500B, is a 500-volt 6-amp power supply used in a variety of semiconductor tools produced by Varian. This particular unit came to us from a major semiconductor facility and required a full and complete rebuild. We show in this video just a power-up at idle, which we left running for an hour due to the fact that it came in with a power-up issue. At ERD, we perform a variety of tests on many products, from running at idle for extended periods of time to full open operation. Whatever it takes to fully shake out a product, we are capable of setting it up. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.